Hi everyone, it's a beautiful day in January in Istanbul with so much snow. We are out with my daughter enjoying the snow. Look at this beautiful. Akşam çıkmayacak mı? Bilmiyorum.
Etrafıma söylüyorum işte ben bana İlk dünyamda gerçekten tekerlek tanıyorum bakımından.
It's the third day with snow in Istanbul. We are out heading to Gölet. We're gonna go down from there, but not here. We're gonna use this street, a lake park we have around the neighbor. So let's go. Hadi aç.
Üstünüze kar yağıyor.
Görüyorum. Çok
Bak.
güzel. Evet.
Çok güzel.
Çok da sakin. Harbiden geliyorlar. This gypsy is our story. Ay yazık. Bunlara bir şey getirmek lazım. They are definitely want us to give, but we didn't bring anything for them. And obviously gypsy is not good, so... Ha, ne? I might bring them for them another time. I saw that people are giving, but they still want to. And it is so beautiful, not very cold. Now it's getting breezy and snowing, very beautiful. Look at her.
Alo, bizim eşyalarımız.
We are out, I think, almost 3 hours. It was nice. Now we're gonna go back home. First have some coffee. It's waiting for us. My husband's gonna make. And then I'm planning to make the famous Turkish winter drink, milk drink, Salep. We bought fresh milk. Since we live in the uphill, it's more crazy the weather, the wind here. Tutabilir misin?
İşte bu tipi. İnce ve rüzgarla estirdi. Fırtınalı yağdı tipi.
Sağlığı yok şu an İstanbul'un şehir içinde. Hem Mecidiyeköy'de, İşçi'de, geceye kadar düşmesini bekliyoruz. Geride bıraktığımız 21 Ocak günü
There is no entrance to Istanbul after we get back home. And now I'm gonna try to go out to see how it looks. Nasıl dışarısı?
Çok felaket.
Siz temizlik mi yaptınız?
Ben canı sildim şeyi ya. Bizim arka taraf. Yolu koyamıyorum.
Öyle mi?
Araba soruyorlar, geliyor mu diye.
It is snow everywhere. The uncle I talk, his son is stuck in the bus. The government made people left their job like at 3:30 p.m. but it wasn't enough because now they are stuck in the highway. When we were coming back home like at 2, it was all like normal. Okay. Ay dize kadar. We just hit by a lightning around here. I enjoy the snow but still think about the people stuck in the highway. They cannot come right now. I hope they will be all fine. Ay.
Tövbe estağfurullah. Hadi gidelim artık yeter.
We are back out. Couldn't stop ourselves from going out. And it is even more now. Probably about like at least 40 centimeters or 50. You see the car, it is stuck. All of them.
Telefonu versene.
Now this is really too much.
Bir şey olmadı.
Vatandaşları uyarılıp özel araçlarıyla dışarıya çıkılmaması, trafik akışının daha hızlı bir şekilde sağlanması anlamına geliyor.
Burada ekmek ihtiyaçlarını gidermeye çalışıyorlar.
Next day. They opened the road but still not enough. Gel. Gel. Gel. Gel. We just gave him some food and he was following us and he came here too for me, I think. I'm back home and it's time to make the salep. I have two versions here. This is ready, just pour it and mix it. It has mixtures, sugar, starch, salep 1%, and this is the real one. It's a dried tubers of various orchids. We are lucky that in Kastamonu we can find it. Even my father was telling when he was a child he was collecting salep. So here it is, and I also bought it from Kastamonu, my father's hometown. It works as a thickener and gives instinct aroma. Good for cough, keeps you warm. It is rarely found, so you cannot probably buy it out of Turkey. I'm not sure if you can order it, but when you come here make sure to ask. We use this salep powder mainly in two recipes. In cold weather you can make salep, which I'm gonna show you. For summer you can make Turkish ice cream. I have the recipe too, check the links. So let's begin. I'm gonna do this separately since it's not gonna take much time. I'm gonna do it later. These are about 240 milliliter. Since it says for 1 liter of milk, 1 teaspoon, I'm gonna use about 3/4 of teaspoon, about this much Salep powder. And since we don't use much sugar, I'm gonna use only 1.5 teaspoon for 3 cups. And first we mix it together with sugar and then scale the milk. Add the powder. And I'm going to cook like this, stirring from time to time, let's say, until it bubbles. I'm going to continue to simmer until it thickens for about 10 to 15 more minutes. It's been boiling for about 10 minutes. It thickened already, but I'm gonna just wait a couple of more minutes and then serve it. And it's very hot. It should be simmering. If heat gets too high, it can just spoil out, or if I'm saying correctly, so be careful. Okay, let's try it. My daughter is here. So first, of course, I'm gonna try the original one. It's been a long time. It is delicious, really. What do you think? You can tell the truth.
Yeah.
It is little bit thick, not too much. Suits inside you actually in this cold weather, and it has its own taste. It's hard to describe, and of course the cinnamon completes everything. So let's give it a try, this one. Bismillah. It is good, has more sugar in it. You can still get the taste a little bit. This one is more thicker, this is not, but still, if you cannot find the original one, I think you can give it a try, since most of the things are in the US and Europe are already like packaged, and they are mixed already, the hot drinks probably. Just tell me what do you drink, if there are any like ready powders like this instead of Salep. Let me give my daughter, let her try. Okay.
Çok sugar.
Çok sugar. She didn't like it. It is not that hot either. It got cold. Because of the sugar, you cannot taste the Salep that much. So give it a try and share your comments. If you come to Turkey, make sure to buy it and try. It's really delicious and natural. And see you next time. Afiyet olsun.